class students perform a drama, The Scholar's Mother Tongue. Now, these people are introduced himself with character's name.
My name is Jai Shwangiri. I act like a King Akbar. My name is Pankaj Chavan. I act like a Birbal. My name is Kumar Sami. Act like a scholar. My name is Zain. Act like a minister. My name is Abu Bakar. Act like a minister. My name is Prajwal. Act like a minister.
Huh.
My name is Harish. Act like a security guard. My name is Samarth. Act like a security guard.
Soldier.
Scene number 1. Good morning. Good morning. Very good morning. Scene number 1. Good morning, Your Majesty. Very good morning. Welcome. I have mastery all different languages. I can speak many languages fluently. Oh! Is there anybody present here who can find out what my mother tongue is? Maybe Marathi, maybe Urdu, maybe Kannada. And so you all accept defeat. No. Oh no, oh no. Well, Pandit, I shall find out what your mother tongue is in a day or so. Glad to hear that. Birbal, take your own time. Okay. Already? Oh, well, that's it. Scene 2. Good morning, Your Majesty. Good morning. Good morning, Your Majesty. Good morning. Sit down. Good morning, Your Majesty. Very good morning. Good morning, Your Majesty. Very good morning. Good morning, Your Majesty. The Pandit's mother tongue is Telugu. Yes. Well done, Birbal. How did you find out? Your Majesty, in time of difficulty, a person speaks his mother tongue. Clever, Birbal. You have with good your wit again. Thank you, Your Majesty. I